Hello, moneymakers. A few weeks ago, my girlfriend noticed something wild on Instagram. She's a fitness freak and health conscious, so she keeps watching health-related videos and reels on Insta. And that night, suddenly she saw shorts with talking fruits, where pineapples explained digestion, avocados exposed sugar cravings, or broccoli called out junk food. They were funny until I checked the numbers. One account in this niche posted fewer than 40 reels and quietly crossed hundreds of thousands of followers. Almost every video was pulling insane views. Then I noticed we were also hooked to watch back-to-back 4 to 5 shorts in seconds. I quickly realized that this niche has huge potential to pull the viewers with a blend of knowledge and fun, which makes it addictive. So I started testing it myself for a week, breaking it, rebuilding it, and figuring out how to create some talking fruit videos perfectly that blow up. And what I found has nothing to do with luck. So, in the next few minutes, I will show you the exact formula behind these viral AI talking food videos, and how you can build one from scratch without overcomplicating a single step. So now grab a cup of coffee and let's get started. Account setup. Most people fail in the talking food niche before they even post. The problem starts at setup. They choose random names, write a vague bio like, I share health tips, upload a reel, and wait. It gets a few random views. Then they blame the algorithm. The real issue is clarity. Instagram decides fast what your page is about. If your name and bio are unclear, your content gets shown to the wrong audience. A name like Food That Heals AI instantly signals niche, format, and audience. Growth here is not luck. It starts with a clear identity, and your name is step one. Your profile picture matters just as much. It is not decoration, it is a trust signal. Most creators upload a random stock image or something that looks good in full size but fails in a tiny circle. If it is not clear, warm and simple, people hesitate. That hesitation costs you followers. For a health-focused AI talking food page, use bright colors, one clear character, and no clutter. It should feel friendly and educational. All you need is a clear and detailed prompt to paste into ChatGPT. Don't stress about it because I have already prepared a complete and fine-tuned prompt doc for you, where you will get all the prompts you will ever need to create videos in this niche. To get this, just check the link in the description, but before we dive in, I want to quickly tell you about my exclusive school community. Inside, I share premium resources, proven prompts, step-by-step systems, and insider strategies that I don't share anywhere else. You'll also get direct access to me, weekly live calls, and a network of creators who are building channels just like you. If you're serious about growing faster and don't want to waste months figuring everything out alone, this community is the shortcut. You can find the link in the description and join today for $199 only. Once you paste the prompt and hit enter, the image takes only a minute to be generated and looks intentional. Then comes your bio. It has 2 seconds to answer one question: who is this for? Avoid vague lines and random hashtags. Instagram reads your name, category, and bio to decide who to test your reel on. If your bio is unclear, your reel goes to the wrong audience and dies. Your bio should clearly say what you post, who it helps, and why someone should follow. If needed, ask ChatGPT for a clear, optimized bio and use the most direct version. Switch to a creator account under education and turn on display on profile to reinforce your niche. Finally, do not post on a cold account. A brand new account has no data, so Instagram does not know where to place your reel. It may test it with random viewers. If they do not engage, distribution stops. Before posting, warm up the account. Follow 10 to 15 health and food pages. Like and save 20 to 30 related reels. Watch them fully. This signals your niche. When you post, the algorithm has context and tests your reel with the right audience. But remember, avoid commenting, mass following, or sending DMs. Keep the engagement natural for a day or two, and then post. And if you want your first reel to explode, forget useful. Forget educational. You need something that makes people pause mid-scroll. Only a great idea can do that, which has the potential to spark curiosity. It has to feel slightly unbelievable, and make someone think, hold on, is that true? Because if the hook doesn't hit in the first second, the rest of the video doesn't even exist. In this niche, the angles that win are outcome-driven and visual. Think this way: fruits that secretly target belly fat from the inside, or morning foods that switch your body into fat-burning mode. or fruits that shut down sugar cravings fast. Notice the pattern? Clear result with specific benefit, no vague health advice, but a visible transformation in motion. You can come up with these angles on your own. Or you can copy the ideation prompt from my prompt doc and paste it into ChatGPT again to brainstorm viral ideas. For this demo, I'm picking one of those high-impact topics. Now comes the script. And no, you don't need to sit there writing it line by line. Instead, I will just plug the topic into a brand new, all-in-one AI tool that handles almost everything for you and wipes out 90% of the heavy lifting. It's called AnyGem AI, Creating Script. If you rush through AnyGem AI and just click next, next, your talking fruit will look like it escaped from a broken cartoon factory. I know the temptation because the dashboard looks clean and simple, and it almost tricks you into thinking the agent will magically handle everything without guidance. But AnyGem AI is powerful only when you are specific. So, open the homepage and click New Project, and do not leave that first message box vague. Instead of typing something lazy like making a talking pineapple, you type something clear and structured. But luckily, you got me, because you can simply copy my script writing prompt and paste it here, because it already has all the components you need, in a structured manner. But if you write the prompt by yourself, pause before hitting send and check yourself. Did you mention vertical format? Did you mention duration? Did you mention lip sync precision? If not, the agent will fill those gaps randomly. After you send it, AnyGem will ask you to confirm the platform and aspect ratio. Choose a mobile platform, 9:16, and set the duration under 60 seconds, because we are making shorts. The agent then generates a story outline in the center panel. Do not just skim it. Read every scene. Make sure the first 2 seconds contain a hook line like, "Hey you, yes you with the bloated stomach." Make sure the pineapple remains the only main character. If the outline suddenly adds random strawberries or background characters, edit it immediately and remove them. So, when your outline is tight and focused on one expressive pineapple in a single environment, the rest of the project becomes controllable instead of chaotic. And that is where the real work begins. Character consistency. If your character design shifts even slightly between frames, viewers feel something is wrong, and they swipe away without knowing why. After confirming the outline, move to style selection. Choose a vibrant 3D cartoon style that supports expressive faces. Do not pick ultra-realistic because realistic fruit with human lips can look disturbing instead of playful. Once the style is locked, AnyGem AI takes you to the concept artboard. So let it generate everything first. Do not interrupt the generation halfway. When the images load, zoom in on the pineapple's face in every frame. Check 3 things carefully: eye spacing, lip thickness, and nose placement. The eyes must stay equal distance from the center in every shot. The lips must be thick enough to clearly open and close for phoneme animation. And the nose should not randomly shrink or stretch. If you see even a small distortion, click the specific frame and use the regenerate option for that element only. But before regenerating, upload a reference image of the correct pineapple face and instruct the agent to match this exact facial structure without altering lighting or background. Be very clear, and say maintain identical proportions and placement. Wait for the board to refresh fully before moving forward. And now, check the environment. The background should remain the same kitchen in every shot unless you intentionally designed a cutaway scene. If the agent introduces a random living room or outdoor setting, remove it. Replace it with the approved kitchen background, because consistency builds trust subconsciously. When your character looks identical across all storyboard frames and your environment stays controlled, the pineapple starts to feel like a real host instead of a glitchy experiment, and now you can move into framing and camera logic. Visual control. Flat framing kills personality, even if your animation is perfect. Before you generate final storyboard images, open the instruction panel and add 3 reinforcement commands. First, maintain exact facial consistency across all scenes. Second, use only the selected kitchen environment with no new props. Third, apply dynamic mobile framing. That last instruction is huge. You want extreme close-ups during punchlines so the pineapple fills most of the screen, and medium shots during explanations so viewers can see subtle head tilts. You also need one split-screen moment comparing fresh pineapple with junk food, but keep both characters in the same lighting style. Send these instructions and confirm the agent's summary. Anigem AI will repeat your requirements back to you. If it misses something like phoneme-accurate lip sync preparation, edit the summary and add it. Only then proceed to batch image generation. Once the storyboard images appear, scroll through them in sequence. Imagine them as a moving video. Does the camera jump awkwardly from wide shot to extreme close-up without transition? If yes, regenerate one of the frames as a mid-shot to create smoother visual flow. Do not accept awkward pacing just because it technically works. Now move to the video generation stage. This is where you paste your final script into the narration panel and keep it conversational. For example, "Hey, I am pineapple. I am not just a pizza debate. I contain bromelain, which helps break down protein and reduce bloating. You eat heavy food and blame your stomach. Try me in the morning, but do not drown me in syrup and call it healthy. Fresh is powerful. Respect the fruit." When your framing supports your script instead of fighting it, your pineapple feels confident and engaging. And now the most delicate part begins: the lip sync animation. Lip sync precision. If the mouth animation is even half a second off, the flow collapses instantly. After selecting a natural and slightly energetic voice, open the advanced animation settings. Here, you must clearly instruct Anigem to align mouth movements to syllable timing, not just sentence timing. That difference is everything. Syllable timing ensures consonants like P, B, and M create full lip closure. Vowel sounds should visibly stretch the mouth shape. Also, enable blinking at natural intervals and subtle eyebrow raises during emphasis words like powerful or digestion. These micro-expressions make the fruit feel alive. Keeping all these in mind, generate the first preview. Watch it in full screen, do not multitask, and focus only on the mouth. When the pineapple says pineapple, do the lips fully close on the P? When it pauses, does the mouth rest naturally instead of floating half open? If any segment feels delayed, use the regenerate clip option instead of restarting the whole video. Highlight the exact time range that needs correction, and restate that lip sync must follow syllable-level precision. But let's be real, no matter how fast or easier this is with Anigem AI, the entire process of doing this on repeat and maintaining quality still takes a certain amount of time. And if you can't afford them, I totally get you, and I have the solution for you also. Before we move ahead, let me be very clear about one thing. Everything you are seeing in this video, you can do it yourself. That is why I'm explaining the full process openly. But I also know the reality. Not everyone has the time. Not everyone wants to deal with tools, prompts, testing, and mistakes. And not everyone wants to wait months just to understand what actually works. When I started, I thought doing everything alone was the only option. I watched tutorials. I tested ideas. I failed more times than I can count. What slowed me down was not knowledge, it was execution. That is why I created my Done For You program. If you want, you can hire me and my team to create videos for you. We are already running 10 to 20 YouTube channels, and AI Maskman is one of them. These are real channels, real uploads, real results. Instead of you figuring everything out, we handle the work for you. We help you choose the right niche. Set up your channel properly, create videos in formats that are already proven, and build a system that can scale over time. I have added a link below where you can book a free call with me. We will talk, understand your goal, and see if this makes sense for you. No pressure, no fake promises. Now let's continue with the video. Once the lip sync is done, evaluate head movement next. Slight tilts during questions increase engagement. If the pineapple asks, "You eat heavy food and blame your stomach," a tiny tilt adds personality. If the head stays frozen the entire time, instruct the agent to add subtle motion without exaggeration. Remember the formula that over-animation looks childish, while under-animation looks robotic. Finally, check color grading and zoom pacing. Mobile screens are small, so request vibrant but not oversaturated tones and smooth microzooms instead of sudden punches. When lip sync is tight, expressions are subtle, and movement feels natural. Viewers stop analyzing the animation and start listening to the message, and that is when your reel has a real chance to hold attention past the critical first 10 seconds. Final edit. After animation corrections, instruct Anigem AI to assemble the final video with low-volume background music that does not overpower the voice. Ask for smooth transitions between shots and bold, high-contrast subtitles placed slightly above the bottom edge so they do not get cut off by interface buttons. Now, generate the final version and open it in the timeline editor. Even if the editor is limited, scrub through manually. Watch for subtitle timing. Words should appear exactly as spoken, not late and not too early. Check that no frame briefly distorts the face during transitions, because those tiny glitches can reduce watch time. Play the video once with sound and once muted. When muted, the visuals alone should still communicate emotion through expressions and zoom, and when with sound, the voice and animation should feel synchronized and confident. If anything feels off, fix that specific piece instead of settling. Remember, precision here compounds over future uploads because you will reuse this workflow again and again. When every detail from facial consistency to syllable-accurate lip sync is controlled inside AnyGem AI, your talking pineapple stops being a gimmick and starts feeling like a real digital character. You can now download it from there, as the video is ready to post and quietly scale into millions of views. But here's the truth. The talking fruit and food niche works because it combines health curiosity with visual surprise. A pineapple explaining digestion stops the scroll. When your videos consistently turn health tips into expressive characters, the platform learns exactly who to show them to. When your identity is clear, your character stays consistent, and your hooks focus on specific outcomes, growth stops feeling random. The algorithm understands your niche. Your audience knows what to expect. Each upload strengthens the last. Retention improves. Distribution expands. Momentum replaces guessing. None of it matters if you never post. Tweaking settings feels productive. Publishing builds skill. Your early videos will not be perfect. Good. That means you are learning. 6 months from now, do you want a recognizable character and real data or a folder full of drafts? This niche rewards consistency over perfection. One clear character, one clear benefit, one tight script under 60 seconds. Repeat and improve. If this niche is not for you, subscribe and explore the other AI systems on this channel. Comment the next niche you want broken down. See you in the next one.
Inside your body, tiny pumpkin seeds are already hard at work. First stop, the heart. Packed with magnesium, your heart hero supports a steady heartbeat and healthy blood flow. A handful every morning gives your heart a great start. Rich in tryptophan, Sleep Guardian helps your body produce compounds needed for deep, restful sleep. Try a light snack before bed. Muscle supporter with zinc and protein aids recovery and strength. Antioxidants in pumpkin seeds boost immunity and mood by working together. Make them part of your daily routine.